Hey guys, today we are going to be unboxing the SanDisk Extreme Pro Portable SSD, and this is actually the 1 TB variant of the drive. And if you're wondering why you should probably get this, or why would somebody spend this kind of money to get a SSD, just think about it. This drive has read-write speeds of up to 1050 Mbps. So the idea is that if you've got a massive Steam library, or you've got, if you're a photo or a video editor and you move a lot of 4K content around, or you move thousands of raw files around, doing that on a regular hard disk can be very time consuming. So this cuts down on that. Plus, these things are super compact. They're very durable. So, and since there are no moving parts, the idea of a damaged drive is reduced significantly. So, I mean, we could talk endlessly about the advantages of SSD over traditional hard drives, but we'll leave that for another video. Today, let's just go ahead and unbox this drive and see what's on the inside. So you have, of course, the SSD itself. It's actually quite surprisingly small. Let me just do this for context. Look at the size of the box and look at the size of the drive. So the boxes for most portable SSDs tend to be fairly large because people relate to that, but the drive itself is extremely small. It's super thin. This could literally be just the thickness of any modern smartphone and can easily slip into your pocket. So when you buy the drive, this is what you do get. You have the drive itself, then you have a type C to type C cable. So this is a USB 3.1 Gen 2 type cable, which means it enables speeds of up to 10 Gbps throughput. That's gigabits per second for the uninitiated. So you have that, and then you also have a regular USB type A to USB type C cable. So for anybody who's using a more traditional desktop or a more traditional laptop, there's also a cable included for you as well. The drive has a type C port over here, so you'll need one type C port. But yeah, if you have a modern PC or a modern laptop, chances are you already have a USB type C port on board, so this should be very helpful. This also will allow you to actually connect the SSD with, let's say, an Android smartphone if you wanted to do that. So there are ways to make that happen, but again, that's a topic for another video. So as far as the contents of the box go, it's actually fairly minimal. You're basically paying all the money for the hard drive and these two cables. The cables actually are important because their wiring on the inside determines the speed. So we do not recommend that you just use random USB-C cables with this drive. That's not the best way to go about getting the most performance out of this drive. So there's that. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching.